everybody. Today we are going to make another card. I'm not sure if I'm going to put a greeting on it, but it could be a birthday card, but I'm not sure. I'm going to be using Stampin' Up's Perfect Plum ink, and I'm using an old stamp set by Stampin' Up called Watercolor Trio. And I'll be using this particular stamp. No, this stamp. Okay. First I'm going to ink up my stamp. Try to get a good impression. One more time. Okay. Next I'm going to take some clear embossing powder. Put this away. And put it back in here. And we're going to emboss it. Let my heat gun warm up some. Okay. Next, I'm going to take one of these dies. Not sure which one I'm going to use. Okay, maybe this one. Okay. I want to put some tape on it to hold it down while I run it through my Big Shot. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I ran it through. I'll take my tape off now. Okay, and here's my finished product. Next, I am going to take some of this paper, so I'm going to have to cut it down and make a border around here. I'm going to cut it 3.5 inches. Okay, then I'm going to use another die. I'm going to put this around here. That'll give me a pretty good border. Okay, I'll take this. And I'll be right back. Okay, I finished that. This is my results here. And I'm going to apply this to that. And I will use tape runner. Maybe. Here we are. Okay. Let's see if I can get this even on all four sides. Pick it up. Okay, there we are. Then I'm going to take a piece of paper that is 3 3/4 by 5, and I'll put this border on it. And this border came from one of these dies here. And I'm going to use this same okay, there we are, and I'll cut off the excess. Okay, now this piece, I'm going to take a die and see which one. I think it's going to be this one. We'll just go over the edges, just to give this card some consistency, and everything will be cohesive. Okay, I'll be right back. This is my results, and you can see the dots are all around now. Put this back. And I'm going to apply to my card base here this right here, and I'll use the same applicator. Let's see if we can get this even. Okay. Now I'm going to add this one to the top like this, and I will use the same applicator. See if I can't get it in the middle. now I'm going to apply some flowers that I cut out using my brother Scan and Cut. And I will apply these flowers around here. Like so. And I think I will use these pop dots here. Okay, now I'm going to, I'm not quite sure what I'm going to put on here, but it will be right here at the base. Okay, that is my card for today. And if you will comment and subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it very much. And please let me know in your comments how you like this or what you would do to change it. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time. Bye!